Hello and welcome to our AFT Impulse 9 Quick Start Video Tutorial Series, Video 5. In this video, we are going to discuss how to run a model, view results in the output window, and view results in the visual report window. When a model is ready to run, click the Run Model button on the toolbar to run the model and calculate results. The Solution Progress window will appear and shows information about the solver's progress as it approaches a flow solution. Once the calculations are complete, view results in the Graph Results, Visual Report, or Output windows. We will start with the Output window. The Output window consists of three sections, similar to the Model Data window: the General section at the top, the Pipe section in the middle, and the Junction section at the bottom. The General section at the top provides basic information such as the simulation runtime, number of iterations and tolerances, fluid properties, and maximum and minimum pressure in the system. Caution, warning, critical warning, and information messages appear in the Warnings tab if there are any. View component-specific steady-state results in the various junction summary tabs. You can adjust the text size using the scaling tool in the bottom right corner of the output window. The Pipe section in the middle displays generalized parameters that are common to all pipes. The Transient Max/Min tab displays the maximum and minimum output values such as pressure, volumetric flow rate, and vapor volume for each pipe. Additionally, the time and location of that maximum and minimum value are also displayed. The Transient Output tab shows the pipe output parameters at any time during the simulation. Drag the slider to view the output at a specific time. The Junction section at the bottom similarly displays generalized steady-state parameters that are common to all junctions. You can change the units of any column by double-clicking the header for that column. You can also click and drag a column header to reorder parameters. If you want access to more options to customize the output, open the Output Control window from the toolbar. In the Pipe section on the Display Parameters tab, there are multiple parameters to choose to display in the output window. Double-click parameters to add them to the list on the right to have them display in the output. You can select a parameter in the list and drag it up and down to reorder parameters. Change the units by clicking the arrow from the drop-down menu. The parameters in the Junction section in the Display Parameters tab allows you to display generalized parameters that are common to all junctions in the Junction section at the bottom of the output window. The Component-specific buttons in the Display Parameters tab allows you to customize the parameters you want to see in the Summary tabs in the top General section of the output window. These are parameters that relate to only these types of components. Finally, the Pipe Transient button allows you to specify what parameters are shown in the Transient Output tab of the Pipe section. There are other helpful customization opportunities available in the other tabs of the Output Control window. Be sure to check out those other options. In addition to viewing results in the output window, overlay results on the model itself in the Visual Report window. The first time you go to the Visual Report window, the Visual Report Control window opens automatically. The Visual Report Control window is where you specify the parameters you would like to display. The default display mode after running a model is the Transient Output mode. Input and Steady-State Output are also available in the list. Animate is also an option, which uses color coding on the pipes to show how an output parameter propagates through a system and interacts with other components during the simulation time. This is helpful to see how waves propagate through branching paths. Going back to the Transient Output mode, the default visual report only shows parameters and units that are set up in the output control. To see all parameters, click the All Available Parameters button at the top. For now, I will use the default output control parameters to select the parameters to display. I am selecting the maximum and minimum stagnation pressure and the maximum and minimum volumetric flow rate. You can change the font size on the General Display tab. You can also color code the pipes based on the results, for instance, the minimum velocity. Once finished specifying what you want displayed, click Show. The legend and parameters move around easily to improve the layout. As you can see, the visual report is a useful way to see the model results overlaid on the model itself. In summary, After you run a model, AFT Impulse provides a variety of methods to view results. The output window allows highly customizable options to view results in a tabular form. The Visual Report window displays results and color codes the model to optimize the results visualization. Thank you for watching, and feel free to refer to the other topics in our AFT Impulse 9 Quick Start video tutorial series.